Hey, good afternoon, guys. It's Austin and Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. Got a couple of Mustangs to show you today. They both look brand new, but one of them is actually used. I've actually got a 2018 used Mustang GT. Now, this one is an automatic, so I know some of you folks out there disagree with an automatic Mustang, but they do make them. This one's got the GT Performance kit on it. Both 460 horsepower out of the stock 5-liter naturally aspirated Coyote motor. This one's a 2018, only has 4,150 miles on it. It's absolutely immaculate, beautiful leather interior. You can buy one of these brand new for about 46 to 48. We've actually got this one listed at 38,570. So now, in contrast to that, oh yeah, before I go, this is one of the Ford new colors. They call this Orange Fury. Pretty cool. When you switch over this way, you've got a Mustang that's a little bit beefier. This one's Kona Blue. This is a brand new 2018 GT350. This one is a naturally aspirated V8, but it's actually a 5.2 liter. So it's got 2 extra tenths of a liter of displacement. This is a track-ready car. These are a little bit more hopped up than the regular 5 liters. These only come in a manual transmission. This one's Kona Blue. These GT350s are really neat. You can actually change how the steering feels. You can change how the shocks feel. You can actually even change the exhaust note. You can go from normal to sport mode. It actually changes the note of the exhaust. You can see the massive Brembo brakes and huge drilled rotors. So like I said, GT350, these are both 18s. The Orange Fury one's actually used. This brand new GT350 is $61,990. We've got no dealer fees, no dock fees. It's Friday. Both of these vehicles are here. If you know anybody interested or would like to take a look, feel free to give us a call. I'll put my 1-800 number on here where you can get in touch with us. Thanks. I sure hope you guys have a great day and a safe Memorial Day weekend.